The Prophet praised عليه الصلاة والسلام when he said, "Unsur akhaka zaliman aw mazluman." It means support your brother whether he was inflicted by injustice or he was unjust. Here, supporting your brother if he was unjust is by preventing him from doing injustice. This is how you support the unjust brother. When you see a brother who is unjust, supporting him will be by preventing him from his injustice. And the one who's inflicted by injustice, so you know how to help him. You support him by protecting him if you can, helping him if you can. Is it clear? So it's not like because I'm black and you're black, so I help you do the injustice because we are from the same race, or I'm white, you're white, or for example, I'm Lebanese, you're Lebanese. La. The truth is a truth, and the injustice is injustice. Is it clear? We don't like injustice. Even if you are my brother, you are my brother and we are friends now because the religion united us. If one of us will deviate, the other will advise him. If he accepts, be it. If not, this is where we separate. Do you understand? I don't help you to do injustice just because we're friends or we are from the same community or same race or same country. We don't support unjust people.